Hi, my dear beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel. So, this is Chinmay Dashurathi, your trainer and coach from BNC Academy. Today's video is all about overcoming one of the biggest hurdles in public speaking, which is self consciousness. Trust me, my dears, I have been there like sweaty palms, shaky voice, and feeling like all eyes are on me. But fear not, because I have got some tips and tricks to help you conquer that self consciousness once and for all. So grab a cup of tea, cozy up, and let's dive in. What is self consciousness? Right? So let's understand what is self consciousness. First thing first, let's break down it, okay? So, self consciousness is that nagging feeling that everyone is judging you and that you're not good enough. It can make you second guess over your every word, movement, and gestures, leaving you feeling paralyzed. That means feeling like a person who is affected with a paralysis, okay, and unable to fully express yourself. But guess what? It's all in your head. You're amazing just the way you are, and it's time to show the world your brilliance. One of the first steps to overcome self consciousness is acceptance. Accept yourself for who you are, flaws and all. Embrace your uniqueness and remember that no one else can bring what you bring onto the table. Okay, so own your quirks, your imperfections, and vulnerability. It's what makes you authentic and relatable. Once you accept yourself, the opinions of others will hold less weight and you will feel more comfortable in your skin. And coming to the next one, practice. We all know that practice makes perfect. Am I right? So, the same goes for public speaking. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Start small by speaking in front of a mirror or recording yourself on camera. Pay attention to your body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions. Practice breathing exercises to help calm your nervous and focus your mind. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will feel when it's time to speak in front of a crowd. And coming to the part of positive affirmations, repeat after me. I am confident, I am capable, and I am worthy. Or you can combine all these three. I am confident, capable, and worthy. So, see, positive affirmations like these can do wonders. Trust me, they will boost your self esteem and quietening that inner critic. Start your day with a mantra that empowers you and reminds you of your strengths. Whenever self doubt creeps in, repeat your affirmation and stand tall in your power. Remember, you are your own biggest cheerleader. So be kind to yourself and believe in your abilities. And coming to our next important tip, it is visualization techniques. See, visualize success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself giving a flawless speech, captivating the audience with your charisma and charm. Envision the applause, the smiles, and the nods of approval. Allow yourself to feel the excitement and confidence that comes with delivering a great speech. Visualization techniques can help rewire your brain to focus on positive outcomes and build your confidence within. And coming to the next step, seek support. Don't be afraid to seek support from friends, family, or a public speaking coach. Surround yourself with the people who uplift and encourage you to be the best version of yourself. Practice speaking in front of a trusted friend or a mentor who can provide constructive feedback and offer encouragement. For that, BNC Academy is the best choice for each and every person to open up their voice. So, for details or for more info, you can check the description for getting the details how to contact us. Okay, yes, let's come back. So, see here, you can also speak in front of a trusted person, right? So there we stopped. So see, by doing that, they will provide a constructive feedback and offer encouragement for you, right? So remember, you are not alone in this journey. We all struggle with self consciousness at times, but together we can conquer it and shine bright. Coming to the last but not least, take baby steps. See, my dear friends, Rome was not built in a day, and neither is overcoming self consciousness. Take baby steps and celebrate each small victory along the way. Maybe it's speaking up in a meeting, or introducing yourself to a strong stranger, or volunteering to give a toast at a family gathering, whatever it may be. Every step forward is progress. So be patient, and be with yourself and give yourself a grace. With each step, you will grow more confident and self assured in your public speaking abilities. So, well, that's a wrap on today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful in overcoming self consciousness and embracing your inner confidence, right? So remember, you are capable of great things, and the world is waiting to hear your voice. My dear friends, open up your voice and speak out. So go out there, speak your truth, and shine bright. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on personal development and growth. So, until the next time, stay beautiful and stay fearless. Bye for now. This is Chinmay Dashrathi signing off.